Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to change name on TikTok. If you think that this video is going to be helpful to you, make sure you keep watching this video and let's get straight into it. In order to change your name or your username on TikTok, you simply need to head over to your profile section first and then tap on edit profile. There you'll have two options, either the name or the username. You can change both of them. If you tap on name, here you can see you can change your name or your nickname every 7 days. So I've recently changed mine, so it does not show me the option to retype it. If you haven't, you can retype it and then tap on save on the top right. Similarly, you can also do the same for username. Usernames can be changed once every 30 days. You can again tap on this username and then make the changes, and then tap on save on the top right. And just like that, your username or your name of TikTok will be changed. If you guys found this video to be helpful, then make sure to subscribe to our channel and also share this video if you found this video to be helpful. That's going to be all for today's video. Keep watching and I'll be back with more.